Hey everybody, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and my chart of the day. You've heard me talk about BioTech before, and for good reason. BioTech has been in a strong uptrend since April of last year. It's been above most of the key moving averages. While it does dip underneath, the buyers show up and it gets back above. And now we are just under an all-time high here on the XBI BioTech ETF. And so I have another alert for you to set. If you've been trading this, I would look for a move through and above 169.70. And I think that could be a trigger to either add to a winning position or start a new one with a stop down around the 8-day exponential period moving average. You can see how 161 got tested, but the buyers showed up and they closed the candle above the 8-day, and then it just made an almost new all-time high. And so I think for a near-term swing trade, a move through 169 and a stop down around 161 could work. And that's just one of many things I'm looking at tonight for Scott's Trade Desk at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.